Hello everyone, welcome back to another episode of Tech Thursday. Today's question is there a way to track the productivity of the system? The answer lies in our software, and today Pascal shows you what data you can find there and how to analyze it.
Yes. So if we take a look into our software, there's a few parameters that you can actually overwatch. Most of the time, the most important ones would be, of course, the production time. So when did the job start? When did it end? How many jobs did you send out total to the system? How many of them were done? And then, of course, which state the job has been left. So if it got cancelled, if it was finished, if the parameters got changed or anything. That's the most basic information about the job. Of course, you can set some different parameters that you can track there. Yeah, but that's just how it looks for us right now.
Thanks again, and see you next time.